A sentinel chicken in Sarasota County has tested positive for the West Nile virus. It's a potentially dangerous mosquito-borne disease if contracted by humans. This case comes at a time when many after-school and evening activities are resuming, putting us outside at prime biting time. SNN Local News 6 reporter Grant Boxleitner has more.
Crews at Sarasota County Mosquito Management Services are putting in some long hours these days. Thursday's lab work comes as they received confirmation that a sentinel chicken tested last week came back positive for the West Nile virus. The case comes a day after another mosquito-borne disease, St. Louis encephalitis, was detected in Pinellas County.
And this is the time of the year when we start seeing the St. Louis encephalitis, the West Nile virus starting to become more active.
August and September are months when mosquito counts are typically at their highest in Florida and when people are at their highest risk of infection.
With all the rains we've had, the species of mosquito that is normally associated with transmission really increases their numbers.
This mosquito trap, one of several placed throughout the county, likely has more than 1,000 insects inside.
We're starting to see some traps that have 500 to 700, and some of our heavier traps, like we showed, in the lab, there can be 2,000 or 3,000 of them.
Crews use spraying to keep counts down, but Mosquito Management Services Manager Eric Schreiber says residents need to take precautions too.
And it's real important now with virus, out there, is make sure people take the repellent.
And for the rest of the week, mosquito managers here say they'll be evaluating traps like this one to justify spraying at various parts of the county. Reporting in Sarasota County, Grant Boxleitner, SNN Local News 6.
Symptoms of West Nile virus include fever, headache, body aches, and a skin rash. The virus can be fatal in rare cases. There's been one suspected death in Duval County this year. Meanwhile, crews here will be testing chickens for diseases next week.